Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at Make.com. Make.com does everything Zapier does for 80% less, and the visual builder is genuinely better. There are 3 things worth knowing about Make.com. Visual Workflow Builder. Your entire automation is visible as a connected diagram. Triggers, actions, filters, and routers all in one view. Troubleshooting takes minutes instead of guesswork. You've also got My Scores. I gave ease of use a 80, features a 90, value for money 90, and support 80. That's about as good as it gets for a business automation tool. Things I genuinely liked. Free plan handles real business automations without limits. Paid plan starts at $9 per month. A fraction of Zapier pricing. Visual Builder is significantly more capable for complex multi-step. I'm giving Make.com a 9 out of 10. If you're serious about business automation, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.